How to generate subtitles using AI. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can generate subtitles using AI. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your web browser, then simply search for Read. So Read is a new video editing tool that uses AI to make your video editing a lot easier. So in Read, you will get subtitles to video using AI. So you can head over to Read and first let's just go to read.io. And after you're on read.io, you will see all of the website here. You can explore the website. It's taking some time to load, but yeah, there we go. So after you're on your Read, you will see an option which is basically your subtitles to AI. I mean, subtitles by AI. So if you don't find it here, you can go back here you will see add subtitles to video. Tap on that and there we go. So here you can choose add subtitles to video. After you tap on that, you should be on this page right here. Now, before we move on to the next step, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So after the page loads, you should be on this section where you can upload a file. So let me drag and drop a file here. So let's say this is the file. I'll just drag it and drop it. And now it should start adding subtitles to the video. It can take some time processing and uploading your video as well. So wait for some time. After that, you will see your free plan. Right here, you will see how much minutes you have of automatic transcription for this month. Now you will get new, points or minutes every month. So you can use this feature for free for some period of time. So here you will see auto subtitle in English. You can tap on that and it should start loading your videos. Now, so since I have used up my, minutes here, it's gonna take some time, but I can just, cut this video and just, make it shorter as well. Right here, you can see I've just trimmed my video. Now I can tap on create, subtitles. Now I'll tap on auto subtitles. So it should start generating subtitles. After it's done generating subtitles, it'll automatically present you with different fonts, which you can use on your, video. There you can see you can change any mistakes that have occurred as well. And yeah, with that, now you can choose style option to style your subtitles as well. And that's how you can add subtitles using AI. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.